Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today to work on these recipe cards, and I'm going for a more pastel look. So I've also been meaning to emboss some more papers. I've been loving the look of embossed papers. I got my embossing folders at, Joann's. And they were super on sale. I think they were 60% off at the time. And they're these types. And these are the only embossing folders that I've ever used. And I don't really know much about other embossing folders. So if you have any favorites, I would love to know what they are. But I am basically going to be working on these. I stamped the ones that I need to work on, and I'm going to leave some plain and decorate some others. So let's see how many plain ones I have already. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two, three. I feel like the small ones look better plain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll go ahead and decorate those. I'm going to decorate 6 more. Yeah. All right. Let's see how these look. I made this piece of fabric tape last time, and I really like how it turned out. So I was thinking of using this. So today I thought I would talk about the first estate sale I ever went to. If you guys would like to know about different crafting things that I could talk about, I would love some topics. Okay, this is like not coming. I think I need to cut this, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim this fabric here because it's like overlapping a little bit. So let's go ahead and trim that. A little easier said than done, I think, but let's try. I will be making more fabric tape that's layered like this because I really love the way this turned out. Actually, let me start writing down some topics because I just thought of another topic. I'm just going to write it on the back of my to-do list. Another thing I wanted to talk about one day is projects that I want to try. That turned out disastrous. Well, not disastrous, but I wasn't happy with it. I could talk about different estate sales, like the jackpot estate sale. One of my favorites. Alright, but my first estate sale ever. So I've mentioned before that I found out about junk journals at the beginning of 2018. And that's when I also found out about estate sales. Wait, what? I found out about junk journals at the beginning of 2018. And soon after that, I found out about estate sales. And before that, I've been going to Goodwill Outlet because one opened up near me in 2000, I believe it was 2013, and I was a big thrifter back then. Not for craft supplies, but just a thrifter in general. And so I had already been going to Goodwill Outlet. So once I found out about junk journals, I started going to the Goodwill Outlet to look for things that could go in journals. And the Goodwill Outlet is a really good place for that. All right, let me go ahead and trim this. Sometimes I cut a little over. Right. So I can straighten it later. But I found out about estate sales, and I went to my first one in February of 2018, and I actually went there before the last day because I wanted to check things out. I did end up buying a few things that first day, which many people do that. But I don't do that anymore. I wait till the very last day. So I checked out that sale, and then I bought a few things that I really liked, and then I came back on the last day, and I came back with my sister, and I think she thought it was pretty cool. The house was a really cool house, and this company, because estate sales are usually not thrown by the family, but they're thrown by a company who liquidates everything in there, and they handle the sale and everything. And this one company is my favorite. They're the first ones I went to, and so I thought all estate sales were like this, but no. Now that I've gone to many more, I realize that they were a really good company. And she gave me a price for something, let's say $3, and then she was like, oh no, wait, I'll just give it to you for $2. And I thought that was so nice, and so when I was paying, one of the people that she works with, they came out of the house, and this lady was like, okay, everyone, all the books are free. So from now forward, all the books are free. So go back into the house and whatever books you want, they're free. And I was like, wow, is this how all estate sales are? It was so cool. I went in and I found a huge pile, but I was being a little bit picky, which now I know that was not a time to be picky. And I think because I was with someone and not by myself, I held back, which now that I've gone to more estate sales, I know that it's never happened again where they just say that all of something is free. I've been to estate sales where they say that you can go in and pick like a free gift with purchase, and they'll have something that they'll give away, but never have they ever, I've never been to an estate sale that did that again. So yeah, big regrets. And this, they had cool books too. They had a lot of vintage retro books, like books from the 50s. And I wish I would have known better. But this company is a little bit farther from where I live. So I guess that first estate sale, they had kind of taken an area that's not really their own area. So I've never gone to another one of their sales. But my friend recently moved to the city where they're located, and she wants to get into estate sales, not for junk journaling or crafting, but for other things. And she's really been wanting to go to an estate sale. So once they open up again, or if they have a phone, not a phone, like an appointment only estate sale, I am definitely going back with her. It's also really cool to go to different estate sales in different areas. I actually got this at that first estate sale. It was just like ribbon. But she really wants to go. So I am so excited. Once I recover more, because I can't really do much right now, but once I'm a little more recovered, I can't wait to go. All right. So this one. I think I just want to make, actually I wanted to layer 2 pieces. I don't think this might not be big enough. Maybe if I put like, I think that'll look cool. But yeah, I'm excited to do that. And it's also interesting to go to different areas, because I've talked to some of those companies and they say that certain areas do better in estate sales, and of course I want to go to an area that doesn't do well so that I can get better deals. And the city I live in, actually they don't do well. Like the estate sales here don't do as well. So that was good to know, because then I know I can get better deals. That's really cute. Okay, so let me put this one down first. And another really cool thing about estate sales is that you get to see different, like, different architecture from different times. There have been many times where I go to an estate sale and I buy nothing at all, but it's still worth it just to look at the different homes. I definitely like an older home. I don't really like cookie cutter, same, like every house in the neighborhood is the same. Okay, this red line tape is a lot harder to peel off. I got this flower ribbon. I think it was on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And now, oh no, this is from Joann's. Cause I'm like, why didn't I get more? It's probably because they didn't have more. It was only $1. They have those by the spool trim and ribbon at Joann's. I've only ever found it at one Joann's. I'll show you right now. They are this purple label one, and they're always only $1 for 3 yards, which is so good because when it's like a good trim, it's so worth it, like this one. But they don't have many of them. So if you guys go to Joann's, you should ask about this. And if you see it, you should buy it. Not just because they're really cute trim and a lot of quality. In my opinion, they're much better than the Dollar Tree ones. But we should create more demand. And maybe they'll stock more. Because these come very infrequently. Alright, but I actually have to head out right now. So I am going to stop the video here. Let me know about your estate sale experiences, especially like when you first started going. If you do go to estate sales, I would love to hear any cool stories. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I hope you got some crafting done today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos and hitting that bell notification button. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.